Good evening, Salsabila. Welcome to the Eurasia chat session. So we would like to know about your academic profile, your brief bio, and brief about your research that present to your conference.
So, my name is Salsabila Rahma, and I'm from Bandung Institute of Technology, majoring in business and management, and also I took a double degree program in ESX School of Management in Paris, French. And also for my research, I conducted a thesis to see how influencer marketing affect the company growth and also the beauty industry growth in Indonesian people.
Thank you for your lovely intro. So our next question is, what are your motivation during COVID to carry to your research and participate in the conference?
Sorry, can you repeat? My connection is a little bit troubling, so.
What are your motivation during the COVID to carry your research and participate in the conference?
So the first thing first is I want to have like international exposure, and for the research itself, for the COVID, people cannot go outside at all sometimes, or even we need to work from home and do everyday things at home. So what we can do is only search from internet, and also if we want to buy a product, we won't go to a physical store, but instead we saw a review from famous people and also beauty influencer before we're buying a product. That's why because I saw myself and other people always look for beauty influencer before we actually buy the product. I conduct this research.
All right, move to our next question. What is your opinion to attending the online conference rather than physical conference?
For online conference, I think it's more flexible because we can do it from home or even from work. And also for me, if there's like an option between physical conference and also online conference, I will absolutely choose the online one.
Thank you for your answer. So our next question is, would you suggest to encourage your friends and colleagues to attend the online conference?
Yes, of course, because the conference itself, it's so flexible that we don't need to present it on site, so it will minimize the connection problem in each area. So we just need to upload our YouTube videos, and then the administrator will play our presentation there. So I think this conference is very effective, and also I already recommend Eurasia. There's like a July session. I already recommend it to my friends, and I think they will consider it also.
Thank you so much for that. So, would you suggest to what is your positive feedback about the conference?
I think before what I said before is already like the feedback to the conference, but if I can give Eurasia a feedback is that the waiting time, because when we present, for example, me, I got selected to present at 7 p.m. or 6 p.m., but I already at the conference at 1 p.m. WIB, Western Indonesian time. So I wait for 6 hours more to get present, and then after that I can leave. It will be better if the Eurasia provide us the time to our presentation, not only like the number of like when will I be present, something like that. But overall, I really glad that I participate in Eurasia, and also it's very awesome to have to participate in Eurasia.
Thank you for sharing your experience with us. We are grateful to have you, and it will be great to see you at our future conference.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for giving us your time.
Okay.